Hey there, rug lovers and DIY fans. Welcome to Rug Master, your rug experts in Berkeley and San Francisco. Today, we're sharing our game-changing service, replacing old rug backing with fresh 100% cotton. Stick around to see how this simple swap can revive your rugs. Let's dive in. Why does backing matter? It's the unsung hero of your rug, offering stability and protection. But when it wears out, your rug suffers. Our cotton backing service fixes that. Here's what sets us apart. We use 100% cotton, durable, breathable, and floor-friendly. It prevents moisture buildup and mold, unlike some synthetics. Our process? Here's the rundown. Step 1. Inspection. We check your rug for damage or weak spots. Step 2. Removal. We carefully strip off the old backing with specialized tools. Step 3. Cleaning. We clean the underside to prep it for the new backing. Step 4. Application. We cut and glue the cotton backing for a smooth fit. Step 5. Drying. It cures for 24 to 48 hours in a controlled space. Step 6. Final check. We ensure everything's perfect before it's done. Signs your rug needs this: peeling backing, frayed edges, or if it won't lay flat. It works great for hand-tufted, machine-made, and area rugs, though not antiques, which need special care. The perks: longer rug life, better looks, floor protection, and improved air quality. Plus, our cotton is eco-friendly and sustainably sourced. Common questions: how long? 3 to 5 days, including drying. Cost: competitive, with free quotes based on size and condition. DIY: possible, but our pro tools and skills ensure top results. At Rug Master, we handle rugs up to 3,000 square feet, perfect for homes or businesses. That's our cotton backing service in a nutshell. A small change, big impact. If your rug needs love, call Rug Master in Berkeley or San Francisco. We'll make it look and feel its best. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more rug tips. This keeps the essentials, your expertise, process, and benefits, while trimming repetition and tightening the phrasing. Let me know if you'd like further adjustments.